Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know how we do it here. It's your girl Ella Mike, and guys, I will miss you guys so much. See your cornrow babe, forget it. So today guys, I'll be launching this tip for you guys on how to get rid of your makeup. Not only getting rid of your makeup, you can apply it as your daily routine. Actually, it really works because it gives you smooth skin after everything. So guys, today we'll be just applying using Vaseline or shea butter, but if you have Johnson oil or any oil in the market, you can use it. They also help. You get a dry wipes and you clean your face with a dry, spontaneously clean everything out for you, using your cleanser as well to remove the mini particles. We don't want those particles remaining on our face. Any cleanser of your choice actually is really good. It depends on the one you want to use. So now guys, after using your cleanser, you can get any of your facial creams. So guys, I hope you apply these features and see that it really works, and it will really help you, those who have skin conditions, acne, black spots. For more tips, and see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumb up, and I will see you next time. Bye for now. Thank you.